this is Rob with Next Gen Rider. We're going to do another video today. It should be a pretty short one. I'm going to show you how to connect an iPhone CarPlay to the AlienRider M2 Pro and get your phone mirrored to the AlienRider. So what you want to do is, this will be the screen that you see after you boot the device. It's very straightforward. You're going to come in and select Phone Link, and then it'll default to CarPlay. And then you want to come into your iPhone and select Bluetooth connections. And then the device should show up here as the bottom. So here's M2 Pro 583C, so we'll select it. It makes a connection, or starts the connection. You'll select Pair, and then select Allow. Then you'll get connected. And then it'll ask you if you want to use CarPlay. You'll select Use CarPlay. And then now it's connected to the device, the AlienRider. So from now on, every time you power cycle the AlienRider, you shut your motorcycle off and turn it back on, it will auto connect. You'll never have to do this process again. Just do it once and it's done, and it'll reconnect. If you have any issues, you can come into the configuration, and then there's an option here to clear connections. So if you're struggling, if something doesn't quite work right, the first thing I would try would be to clear connections on the AlienRider M2 Pro, and then forget your network here, forget this device, and then just restart. But I haven't had any problems. Back to Phone Link, and it pulls you back into CarPlay. It's been working really well. Thanks for watching.